How to edit a PDF. This tutorial shows you how to make changes using Microsoft Word, then save it back as a PDF. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click File at the top left. After that, click Open. At this point, browse to where your PDF is saved and select it. Following this, click Open to bring it into Word. Word will show a message letting you know it's about to convert the PDF into an editable document. From here, click OK to confirm. Give it a moment while Word converts the file. At this stage, once converted, make whatever edits you need directly in the document, just like any other Word file. Following this, once you're finished, click File again. From here, click Export or Save As. At this stage, change the file type to PDF. Following this, click Save. Once saved, your edited content is exported back into a PDF file, ready to open or share. That's how you edit a PDF. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.